There's not a doubt in my mind that Anthony Edwards is going to be the face of the NBA one day, but that day is not today. Lakers in 5. Neither team was really impressive last night. I mean, 94 points is not going to probably win you the series on a consistent basis. Lakers in 5. But the Lakers show what they're capable of doing on defense when they really set their minds to it. And LeBron's playing defense like he's 28 years old again, so you love to see it. I really want to see Austin Reeves and some of the role players really, make it apparent to get himself going early in Game 3 and get ahead in this series and take a 2-1 lead on Friday. But we may or may not have a series on our hands here. This is must-watch TV, and it stays the same. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Lakers in